4 Forex trading characteristics you should understand. Forex is a foreign exchange abbreviation that applies to foreign currency, Forex, trading. The Forex market is the world's largest and most liquid market. The trades surpass $2 trillion a day. The Forex market has many features and it can be difficult to interpret. There are, however, 4 main characteristics that you should be familiar with if you are thinking of becoming a Forex trader. The first of the 4 characteristics of Forex trading is geographical. Forex market is global in nature. It's all about the world and it's hugely popular. Because it's open 24 hours a day in every region. The Forex market is regional in nature. It's all about the world and it's hugely popular because it's open 24 hours a day in every country. Although the Forex market is global, it does not have a physical, centralized location for industry. Nevertheless, major foreign exchanges markets are in New York, San Francisco, Hong Kong, London, Tokyo, Singapore, Sydney and Bahrain. Because the Forex does not have a specific site of operation, foreign exchange transactions are called on the counter. Trading takes place through the use of computer terminals, telephones and brokers' desks. The main functions of the markets are the next important feature to be conscious of. The main function of the Forex markets is to pass purchasing power. Trades are made by allowing participants to turn their currency sales into their domestic currency. The Forex also helps to keep the exchange rate from fluctuating too high. The market also functions to aid the movement of goods between countries by providing financing loans. Another distinguishing feature that you should be mindful of before trading on the foreign exchange market is its members. Forex is divided into 2 main categories: the interbank or wholesale market and the consumer or retail market. There are 5 different types of participants in these 2 groups. The first collection of participants are banks and non-bank foreign exchange dealers. Such participants buy at bid prices and sell at asking prices, thereby adding to market efficiency. The second type of the participant is individuals and investment firms and industrial firms. They use the Forex to help them invest while minimizing risk. We often use Forex like a hedge option. The third group consists of speculators and arbitrators who seek to profit solely from the Forex. They're trying to make money for themselves while taking the least amount of risk. Central banks and treasuries are the next groups of participants. They use it to change the value of their own currency by using their reserves. They try to influence the market rather than make profits. The last group consists of foreign exchange brokers. These are people who make trading easier for others, and usually charge fees or commissions for their services. The fourth feature of the Forex is that there are little or no inside details. Currency fluctuations are triggered by actual money flows or by the anticipation of a shift in the flow of money. This anticipation of change may result from changes in gross domestic product, budget and trade deficits or surpluses, inflation, interest rate, and other economic conditions. Because significant news about these situations is generally made by notifications that everyone has access to at the same time. There is little or no insider information that can be received. These are the top 4 characteristics that every trader should know before they become part of the Forex. If you are unaware of these basic characteristics, it will be difficult to be a successful foreign exchange trader. Understanding the framework before you jump in will help ensure that you get the most out of your trades. Keep learning. Keep earning. And I as always say practice. Practice. And practice. Best place to learn about stock market training. Technical analysis training. Price action trade. Fundamental analysis training. Options trading training. Forex trading training. Commodities trading training at NCFM Academy Hyderabad.in. Visit NCFM Academy Hyderabad number 406 Annapurna Block, Aditya Enclave, near Mitravanam, Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. Call +91 7702 486 328 landline +9140 48560292.